Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dual SIMs in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings here. Then go to connections. And here you will find SIM manager. Just click that. And here you are seeing dual SIM. Okay, SIM 1 and SIM 2. If you have inserted two SIM cards, they will be showing here. Suppose if you have inserted only one SIM card, only one SIM will be showing and another SIM will not be showing. Okay, so dual SIM slots are given in your phone, and in my case I have inserted two SIM cards. Okay, so they are showing here. And if you would like to customize, if you would like to set dual SIMs as per your wish, you can do it here. Okay, suppose if you want to deactivate SIM 1, just turn off this button and click on turn off. SIM card will be deactivated. At any time you can reactivate. Okay, to reactivate, just you can turn on this button and then it will be reactivated. Okay, in the similar way you can do it for SIM 2 also. Okay, you cannot turn off both SIM card at a time. Okay, and if you would like to customize SIM 1, click over SIM 1 and here you can edit name and icon. Okay, just click on edit name here, and here you can change name. By default name will be assigned as SIM 1. Okay, if you would like to change it to your own name, yes, just delete this text and add your own text. Here I would like to add it as Mingi. Okay, and click on done. I got typed Mingi here and click on done, and yes, now it will be changed. Suppose if you would like to change the icon for your SIM card, just select from here. Okay, I select this option, home button, and click on done, and yes, Mingi SIM card now customized that is a name and icon has have been customized. Okay, I go back. In similar way you can customize for SIM 2. Okay, click on SIM 2 and here you can edit name. Click on edit name and icon and change the name to any text as per your wish. Here I would like to set it as Mickey, and click on done. And if you would like to change icon, select any icon here. I select this icon and click on done. Finally, yes, SIM 2 SIM 2 has been customized. If you would like to add eSIM, click on eSIM. As of now, I don't have in our country, no eSIM is available. If you would like to set preferred SIMs, just click on calls here, and here you can set preferred SIMs for calls. Okay, if you would like to set Mingi, then click on Mingi, that is SIM 1. Okay, if you would like to ask always, that means every time your phone will ask whether to choose from SIM 1 or SIM 2. Okay, here in my case Mingi and Mickey, and click on always, and accordingly your phone will ask every time. Okay, then click on messages. Here you can set preferred SIM for messages, that is SIM 1 or SIM 2. I was set it to SIM 2. Okay, and then mobile data also, which from which SIM mobile data should be used. Okay, preferably Mickey is set. Okay, if you would like to change, click on Mingi and it will be changed. Okay, then data switching and backup calling. Okay, suppose you have here chosen Mingi for mobile data. Suppose if Mingi has finished all mobile data, then automatically data will be switched to other SIM. Okay, that is called here data switching and backup calling. Okay, similarly click on more SIM settings. Here click on dual SIM always on. Okay, here you can change phone number also. Okay, but don't change it. Okay, and click on here SIM card security. If you would like to lock your SIM card, click on this lock button. but don't do it if you don't know how to unlock it. Okay, because if you give security pin wrongly, then you may need to put your code for unlocking your phone. Okay, it is very dangerous, so leave it. And lock eSIM settings. If you have any eSIM inserted, just we can lock here from here. Okay, I don't have any eSIM, so I leave it as it is. And yes, dual sims have been customized. In this way you can easily set or the customized dual sims for phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.